Yes, good morning everyone. It's a wonderful day that God given unto us today. Yes, once again I'm here at tricycle terminal, waiting passengers and hoping that I earn an income today for the needs of my family, especially for the expenses of the studies of my kids, their allowances and other expenses of the school. So I'm always wake up early in the morning, working hard for them because I believe that education is very important, and I'm always find a ways to earn an income in a dignified ways. Education is a good legacy for the family that no one can take away, and I believe that the education also is one of the ways to overcome poverty. So I'm always working hard for them. So to all the parents around the world dedicating themselves for their kids and the whole family, I salute all of you guys. I hope that God will always guide you, protecting you, and give you hope every day. So God bless you, all of you, all the parents, to all responsible parents. God bless to everyone.